Hi everyone! For today's episode, itong topic na to sobrang close siya sa heart ko. And let's talk about the quiet kind of homesickness. If you are living abroad or if you are working abroad, you will really relate to this. For everyone who doesn't know, who haven't tried, living abroad isn't always dramatic. Sometimes it's subtle, like when I see families having Sunday lunch, may kirot din sa puso ko, or when I um, cook adobo and realize wala yung lasa sa ng bahay, I mean. So it's really different. And homesickness isn't always loud, but it's always and will always be there. Imagine, 30 years akong nasa Philippines, and then all of a sudden, I'll go out of the country and live for a while in another country. I suddenly miss the random banding with friends, and of course, the laughter and stories that we share with my family. I mean, habang kumakain, at tsaka yung ingay ng mga sasakyan, ng kapitbahay, and of course, the traffic. Nakakamiss din yan sa Pilipinas. And the hardest part is explaining to people who have never felt it. I remember one night I was walking home from a long shift. Um, it was tiring, and then it's cold, and I suddenly burst into tears while walking. Wala namang nangyari. It's just that I was so sad. It's a quiet sadness that I felt inside. And I realized I wasn't sad because something bad happened. I was sad because I missed being home. I miss my life there. I miss what I do there. I miss the freedom. Um, Kasi 'di ba nakabuild na ako ng routine ko, like time for family, time for church, time for myself. And nung way back when I was in the Philippines, I already found out the church ministry na nagpapasaya din sa akin. And I just totally miss everything. But here's what I learned. Homesickness is proof of how much love we carry. And we cope up slowly by calling home, by building our little rituals, by creating chosen families abroad. It doesn't make you weak. Homesickness doesn't make you weak. It makes you human. So if you're feeling lonely today, this is your reminder. You're not alone. This feeling is valid, and you're doing better than you think. Thank you so much for listening, and I hope you feel comforted a little bit listening to this episode.